Hi guys, today we will talk about Practical Assessment Assisting program on Divemaster Training. When Divemaster candidates assist their instructor on practical assessments during an open water course, they play an important role in ensuring the smooth and safe execution of the dive. Here's an explanation. Assisting with equipment. Setup. Divemaster candidates help with setting up the dive equipment for themselves and the students. This includes assembling and checking gear such as tanks, regulators, BCDs, and dive computers to ensure everything is in proper working condition. Assisting with dive briefings. Before the dive, candidates assist the instructor in conducting dive briefings for the group. They help explain the dive plan, safety procedures, entry and exit methods, underwater signals, and potential hazards to the divers. Supervising divers. During the dive, Divemaster candidates assist the instructor in supervising the divers. They help maintain group cohesion, ensure proper buddy communication, and monitor each diver's air supply, buoyancy, and overall well-being throughout the dive. Providing assistance and intervention. If any issues arise during the dive, such as equipment malfunctions, diver distress, or navigation difficulties, Divemaster candidates are ready to provide assistance or intervention as needed. Conducting dive debriefings. After the dive, candidates participate in dive debriefings led by the instructor. They reflect on the dive experience, identify areas for improvement, and reinforce key safety concepts learned during the dive. Overall, assisting the instructor during practical assessments on an open water course allows Divemaster candidates to gain valuable hands-on experience in real-world diving situations. It helps them develop leadership, communication, and problem-solving skills while ensuring the safety and enjoyment of all divers involved.